Gracelyn, say hello to mommy. How are you today?
Baby, you see this, baby? What this not inside is burger and some fries. You want to open these toys? Okay, you want to look inside, huh? This one. This is French fries and burger. Okay, we play toys first, okay? Yeah, what is this? What is this? What is this, baby? What is it called? Big. This is big dinosaur. This is Pikmi. Pikmi pop. Okay. Okay. You want to open this? Which one you want to open first? This one. Okay. Okay. So this one is Tyrannosaurus Rex. That is the T-Rex. Okay. So this week is T-Rex. You like T-Rex?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it. T-Rex. Okay, wow. What's this? Inside? Dinosaur egg. Okay. Wow. What's this? What is it called? Yeah, what is the name of this dinosaur? You don't know? This is T-Rex, yes. Okay, baby, show you how to play. Yes, it's like this. Wow, yes.
Show mommy your T-Rex, Gracelyn.
Then let me see your T-Rex. Okay, now we open another one. You want to open this one? You know what is this? Pikmi pop. Okay, so this week is Pikmi pop. Abby the bunny. This week is bunny. Abby the bunny. Okay, bunny, yeah. Okay, let's open it. Just like the previous one. Okay, baby. This one, you can put at your bag there, just like the previous one. Okay, you want to open this?
Yes.
This one? What is?
Plastic bag.
Plastic bag?
Got something inside, Gracelyn.
What do you see? What's this?
Stickers.
Stickers. Okay, so let me see your stickers. You see the stickers is the previous weeks. There's the cat and the banana and the monkey. Okay. Maybe which one? What is this?
Banana.
Yeah, this one? Cat, yes. Okay, later you can paste here. Okay, baby, you see this? You know what is this? You know what is this? Like what? Like what animal? Like pig? Pikmi pop, I know this is Pikmi pop. What animal is this? Look like a
Baby.
rabbit. Yes, correct. This is a bunny, a rabbit. Okay, a rabbit.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yes. Okay, you can put this here. Okay, and then you can put at your bag. Can put at your bag. Okay. Okay, you want to paste it here?
Yes.
Okay, let's paste this one.
What inside?
Where do you want to paste?
What inside?
Nothing inside already. We take them out already. These things. Okay, you want to paste it. Paste a sticker on it. Yeah. Where do you want to paste? Here. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay. Which one? This one. Where do you want to paste? Here. Okay. Good. Paste where?
Here.
Okay, you paste it. Good job. Don't too near. Here. Don't be too near. Okay, well done. What's this? Strawberry. Too small. Hi, Daddy, help you. Daddy, help you. Yeah. Oh, that one is small. This one is bigger strawberry. Bigger. Bigger strawberry. Wait. Bigger one, yes.
Oh.
Yes. I think this is raspberry. Raspberry. Where do you want to paste? Here. Okay, Daddy, help you. Okay, what's this?
Banana.
Banana. Your favorite. Oh. Here. Done. Well done. Okay. Maybe you want to take out all your previous, all the other animals and the other dinosaurs?
What toy?
Yeah. Where is the other animals? Where is the banana? Where is the cat? Where are they?
Oh, here.
Not here. It's inside your toy bag. Okay, then you go take it out. You wait for me. Okay.
Tails.
Tails.
Or something.
Sharp teeth.
One. The bottom leg.
Okay. Okay, baby. Now we have the full set of Pikmi Pops and the Jurassic World dinosaur. Say bye bye to everyone, baby. Say bye bye to
Bye,
everyone.
Gracelyn.
Look at the camera there. Look at there. Baby.
Gracelyn, wave your hand. Wave your hand.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Kiss.